KSB, technology that makes its mark. Excellent service and first-class consultancy. This is KSB Indonesia.
My name is Philippe Olivier. I am Managing Director of KSB Indonesia. KSB is the leader on technical expertise in pumps and valves. KSB company also offers excellent service, which, in addition to maintenance and repairs for pumps and valves, includes the supply and installation of KSB spare parts. Since 1993, KSB present in Indonesia to be your partner for all markets such as mining, oil and gas, energy, petrochemical, water, industry, building and marine. To offer our burst service wherever you are, we have branch offices and workshops in Palembang and Balikpapan, as well as branch offices in Medan, Pekanbaru, Cilegon, Banjarmasin, Semarang and Surabaya. In case of emergency, you can reach us 24 hours per day, 7 days per week. Our single-minded focus has always been to make our customers' plants safer, more energy efficient and more cost-effective by providing first-class products and excellent services. We also subscribe to the concept of constantly improving our products, processes and services to meet the requirements of sustainable development. As an environment-conscious company, we strictly adhere to international emission and pollution control norms. The bottom line is that for every customer who seeks a solution from us, we strive to deliver quality, reliability, and prompt service at all times.
The global success story of KSB began over 140 years ago, when Johannes laid the foundation for the company by inventing his boiler feed apparatus. Our production are valves since 1872 and pumps since 1873. Our vision to be a leading supplier of pumps, valves and services in Indonesia with complete engineering, packaging, testing and service supplied locally. Business activities, we are guided by the principles of sustainability and fairness in the way we deal with people and the environment. We always work to the latest quality standards in all areas of the company, worldwide. We have supplied generations of customers worldwide with pumps, valves, automation products and services. Pumps. There are several types of our pumps. These pump types are applied based on their own capabilities in handling several treatments on site. Valves. KSB valves are available for many applications in various designs, sizes and materials. Automation and drive. For new installations of existing systems, KSB offers not only the right automation equipment for integration in building management and process control systems, but also the software required for pump commissioning. Services. We work hard to ensure excellent services and most competitive product to be delivered to customers. KSB service team, with their experience of services on site, have the capability to solve your problem. KSB facility and equipment. Inside factory. We have full facilities and machineries inside the factory to support our operation and production process effectively and efficiently, such as overhead cranes, welding equipment, etc. Test bed facility. KSB Indonesia fully test every pump complete with drivers, controllers and accessories to guarantee total integrity and ensure that re-pump package arrives on site ready for trouble-free operation. Assembly facilities. We assemble pumps with base frame, ushing system, cooling system and controller. We build complete system of dewatering pump set, firefighting packages and booster sets. KSB products are equipped for almost every requirement. Mining. Water and wastewater. Building. Oil and gas. Energy. Marine. Industry.
Salam tambang, kami sudah bekerja sama selama kurun waktu 6 tahun dengan KSB sejak 2010. Produk yang kami pakai dari KSB ada 8 unit water pump sekelas DND 100 sampai DND 200. Apa yang diberikan oleh KSB sangat baik, terutama perihal kemudahan operasional di lapangan, kemudian reliability dari water pump KSB maupun komponen yang sangat baik sehingga menunjang operasional kami. Produk kemudian servis dari KSB sampai saat ini sangat bagus dan kami harap ini bisa ditingkatkan. Mungkin itu dari kami. Terima kasih untuk kerjasamanya selama ini dengan tim KSB. Salam tambang.
Sejak tahun 1982 sudah terinstal atau terpasang. Selama ini pompa tersebut bisa beroperasi sesuai dengan yang kita harapkan dalam hal pendistribusian air ke seluruh Bandara Soekarno-Hatta ini. Dengan standar dan kualitas internasional, produk KSB mempunyai harga yang bersaing, sehingga mungkin kami akan tetap mempercayakan KSB sebagai mitra ataupun penyedia pompa pendistribusi kita. Kami juga kedepannya berharap tetap dipertahankan bahkan ditingkatkan sehingga kebutuhan kami untuk bertanggung jawab terhadap pendistribusian air ke seluruh bandara tetap bisa terjaga.
Di mana produk ini yang kami gunakan yaitu tipe vertikal serta valve dan pompa booster yang ada di Terminal 1 Bandara Soekarno-Hatta. Selama ini layanan atur salep PT KSB sudah sangat baik, tapi kami mohon dijaga dan ditingkatkan.
Our technology, your success.